welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're returning. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this beautiful low slick bun with a side bang. It's really easy, really simple. You just need a few things. Before we get into it, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow me on all my social medias. They will be linked down below. I'm active most on TikTok though, and Instagram. But anyways guys, let's get into the video.
I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. I'm a dog, I'm a man. I can smoke already, so cold in my blood, yeah. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting, yeah. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. I'm a dog, I'm a man. No crib talking come through, it's time to break it in. 32 live on pants size, cause I'm trying breaking it in. No condo, second name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. I'm a dog, I'm a man.
All I want is
We know people can fade. For tonight I'm yours. So tonight the truth. Oh, stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. For tonight I'm yours. So tonight the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong, I'll lie with you. Even though it's wrong, I'll lie with you.
Only because you ain't here. Living in the air, dripping everywhere. Living in the air, dripping everywhere. Got that blue fever, cold ass ice till you can be up. You got that blue fever, cold ass ice till you can be up. Long as you're true leader, and all of life promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out swinging. If living in the air, my cold flame, dripping everywhere. I'm always, I don't even care as long as you're laying in my bed. I'm okay. What everyone said, I'm all in. I couldn't care less as long as you're blue fever, cold ass ice till you can be up. You got that blue fever, cold ass ice till you can be up.
Situations, come on, y'all. We look right, hey, but you gotta be smart about it. Son of what? Yeah, with the guys, I sacrificed because I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you. You are my girl. You see, I thought the
I know what you just started. Me and my bitch go naughty. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on she regardless. Get my goon and swipe that bitch and now the spirit to charge. Making music, being on bitches, I be really much. I got hands for a hoe. I get bands for a show. He want chance after chance after chance, nigga, no. I keep saying free little folk. Do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going down soon as I land on them folks. Don't follow the rules, I'm rebel. No, I stand out, bitch, I'm special. I'm stand up, bitch, like Kevin. Oh, God. You a bum ass bitch, you messy. Don't stall me, bitch, I'm petty. Line in the bitch up, I'm ready. I don't pick and choose, it's up with whoever. All my diamonds hurt, and all these members 32. Smiling in my nigga, ho, knock out all your 32. C8 doors, open up for me. Hear the engine roar, sweet sport. I got somewhere to be, little baby, I'm important. With a drum, yeah, that's my favorite gun. Ask if he my only nigga. I said no, but you my favorite one. Nah, for real. Yeah, Reds bitch, nigga, I'm 1-1. Nah, I can't make you mine, but I can make you come. Sick up in the sheets, in them streets, baby, I'm a thug. I just threw 10,000 something ones in this fucking club. I'm popping this so hard, cause I ain't used to shit. These niggas ain't got no type, they want stupid bitch.
No sir, 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 no sir. No Maybach, but I ain't got a chauffeur. I'm in it for the bread, put you in a toaster. Hey, yes sir. Got a little older, was a young flexer. You know that it's a go, cause make my jacket checker. Pop one pill, but it's a double decker. Yes sir. I ain't talking schools, I'm waiting on a transfer. Send a pussy boy to meet my ancestors. Put up on the block, it's hot flaming Chester. Yes sir. I just flew a bitch in from Manchester. They took me to jail, I should've smacked the rest.
I love this bang. It's just the cutest. Like, tell me this is not cute. Tell me this not eat. This is so cute. Look. I love this bang. Now this side. This side. Hold on. Hold on. It's cute, it's cute. Oh. So, do you like? I like it. It's really cute. I will be doing this probably in the future, but I don't know. I mean, I love the way the bang came out, but like something is a little off. The bangs are growing on me. I'm gonna see, like, they're growing on me. But anyways, guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on all of my social medias. They will be linked down in the description. As always, be safe out there. I love y'all, and see you in the next video.